We're gonna,
Where's Josh?
he was still asleep. I had to wake him up, but.
I'm taping you. Uh-huh.
So I just woke up. I stayed up all night.
It's 3 o'clock.
It's already 3 o'clock.
It's
I like
3
waking up at 11.
3 p.m.
I just messed up my sleep schedule again.
What if you get this job and you guys get this 6 a.m. to 4 p.m. shift?
Then I have to start sleeping at 12 or 11. So I at least need 8 hours of sleep. Something. For my body to function right.
You think?
Yeah.
Okay, well.
We'll see you and keep you updated on that job.
Hi. I'm videotaping you. You're finally awake?
Mm-hmm.
Do you know what time it is?
Afternoon time?
It's 3 p.m.
What?
On a Friday.
What time you sleep, man? 5:30. That's what.
5:30 in the morning?
Yeah, we pulled off all-nighters.
So I was telling Christian I wanted to get your permission. That's why I'm taping you. If I can start posting videos of you guys on YouTube.
Yes.
I set up a channel.
That'd be dope. Yeah.
So can you guys do a little introduction? Just whatever you want to say about you. Who's going first?
We're twins, 18, and we're learning new ways of adulthood. Our new life is changing, and we need to learn how to do stuff on our own.
Okay.
So that'll be our journey in this channel.
Cool. And wait, did you say who you were? Which one you were?
I'm Chris, and this is Josh. He's a little bit half asleep, but just woke up. But we'll be cooking on this channel, so.
Well, you're not gonna just do cooking, but that will be the first videos that I'm gonna post because those are the first ones that I started videotaping. But basically, you know, learning how to adult. So we're gonna
introduction of adulthood.
Yes.
Introduction of adulthood. Yes.
Because you guys literally just turned 18.
Yep.
And you're adults now.
Yeah. Newly 18.
So anything that anyone's teaching you from the family, we're gonna videotape so we can post it up and hopefully help inspire people your age. You know, teach them how to adult.
All right.
Cool.
Sounds good.
Okay.
On to the journey.
Bye.
Bye.